So here is the easiest and most useful explanation of the chapter, The Model Millionaire, the plot explanation of the chapter, which is in the 9th class ICSE syllabus. So starting with the characters, Hughie Erskine is the main character of the story, the protagonist of the story, who is a very handsome man who is in love with Laura Merton, but he is unemployed. Laura Merton, the second character of the story, is the lover of Hughie Erskine. Her father is a retired colonel. Third character is the colonel, who is the father of Laura Merton and who has put a condition before Hughie Erskine to earn 10,000 pounds before he can get engaged to Laura. Next character is Ellen Trevor, who is an artist and a very carefree person who is the best friend of Hughie Erskine. Next character is Baron Hosberg. Yes, Baron Hosberg is a model millionaire. He was modeling as a beggar to get himself painted. He was a millionaire, but he was modeling to be a beggar because he felt that it will be a really funny, a very humorous depiction of himself, a millionaire painted as a beggar. Now moving on to the story itself. So we find that Hughie Erskine had tried a lot of businesses, but he did not succeed in any of them. And he was sustaining on merely 200 pounds per year that was given as a stipend by his aunt. And upon that, the father of Laura Merton had put a clear condition before Hughie Erskine that he had to earn 10,000 pounds before he can think about engaging to Laura. Hughie used to be very sad, and one day he went to Ellen Trevor, who was an artist and a great friend of Hughie. That day he was just giving the finishing touches to model of a beggar, the picture of a model of a beggar, and the model was standing there. When Hughie looked at the beggar, he felt really sad about him, he felt very pity on him, and he just gave him a sovereign as a gesture of helping him. Later he found out by his friend that the beggar was actually a millionaire whose name was Baron Hosberg. Yes. And that made Hughie Erskine really, really embarrassed that he gave a sovereign to a millionaire. But this took a really interesting turn when the Baron was actually really impressed by the gesture of Hughie Erskine, that he did not have a lot of money, but still he felt pity towards the beggar and gave him whatever little he had. And as a gift, Baron gave Hughie 10,000 pounds because he knew about the condition that the colonel had put towards Hughie, and he gave him 10,000 pounds as a gift to get engaged to Laura and consider it as their wedding gift. So this was all about the chapter, The Model Millionaire. If you want to study each line of the chapter, understand every word, head on to the link that I will put in the description in this video. Get studying. All the best, study well. Let me know if you need more help. Bye-bye.